Let's get started. Ride-sharing is everywhere. Everywhere? There are over 540 million users out there. Damn! And they spent 280 billion minutes going from A to B. Wait, what? But time spent in rideshare has yet to be monetized. Cha-ching! Enter Hangry, the on-the-go retail, sampling and media channel. A new way for brands to connect with rideshare users. Brands can literally ride with their consumers side by side for 14 minutes per ride, sell products, sample products, or simply engage. That's more attention than any other media channel. So how does it work? Easy! Feeling hungry on the go? Scan. Tap. Collect. How about some free samples? Scan. Tap. Collect. Repeat after me. Scan. Tap. Collect. One more time. Scan. Tap. Collect. That's right. Imagine 18 million new points of sale globally. OMG! Generating rich consumer insights for brands. Hangry is connecting brands with passengers every day. Now here, here and here. And soon here, here and here. Hangry, connecting brands with passengers.